Hey everyone! Welcome back to our English Lab. Today we are starting a very powerful challenge, 10 days shadowing English speaking practice challenge. If you complete all 10 days, your English speaking will become more natural, more confident, and more fluent. So let's start day 1 together. Just follow my voice. Repeat after me. Don't think too much, just speak. Let's begin. What is shadowing? Shadowing means you listen and immediately repeat like a shadow. No translation, no hesitation, just repeat and copy pronunciation. This is one of the fastest ways to improve speaking English. Shadowing English speaking practice day 1. Section 1, Basic Daily Sentences. Now listen and repeat after me. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you today? How are you today? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Sarah. My name is Sarah. Repeat 2 or 3 times slowly. Section 2, Real Life English. Now speak with me. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth every day. I brush my teeth every day. I go to school or college. I go to school or college. I like learning English. I like learning English. I want to speak English fluently. I want to speak English fluently. Section 3, Confidence Building Lines. Now strong speaking practice. I can do it. I can do it. I am improving every day. I am improving every day. Mistakes help me learn. Mistakes help me learn. I am not afraid to speak English. I am not afraid to speak English. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Section 4, Fast Shadowing. Now a little fast practice. Repeat quickly after me. I am ready. I am ready. I am ready. Let's learn English. Let's learn English. Let's learn English. I can speak English. I can speak English. I can speak English. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Never give up. Never give up. Never give up. Final practice. Now try full speaking. I wake up early. I learn English. I practice every day. I want to speak English fluently. Repeat 3 times slowly, then faster. Ending. Great job, my lovely students. You completed day 1 of shadowing challenge. Now your homework. Repeat this video 2 times today. Speak out loud, not silently. Comment day 1 done. Tomorrow we will do day 2, more powerful speaking practice. If you are serious about English speaking, then don't skip any day. See you in the next amazing video. Thanks for watching this video from Ash English Lab.